are you? Some kind of troll or something?